Hello dear friend, today in this video I will discuss about the Fiverr. Basically I will cover the three main topics, what is Fiverr and how you can create account on Fiverr. Then I will discuss about how to make money on a Fiverr. So be with me till the end of video. So let's start the video. Before starting video, I will request you please subscribe my YouTube channel, do likes and comments on my video, then also share my videos to your friends and families. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to write Fiverr, then press the search icon, and you can open the first official website, topmost fiverr.com. If you know some correct information about Fiverr. So if you do not open this, then you can, if you know about the basic knowledge about Fiverr company, how Fiverr started in our digital marketing, and how many people are working on Fiverr. So you can overview of Fiverr from the website wikipedia.com. Okay, then you have to open the www.wikipedia.com. So Wikipedia is already open. So this is okay. Fiverr is global online marketplace for freelancer service. Fiverr platform connect freelancers to people or business looking to hire. Basically, Fiverr is online marketing place. So you can run your business or build your business online digitally in a simple way. I can understand you, or if you want to sell your or promote your business digitally, you can join Fiverr account today. So listings on Fiverr are also a very important thing. You first have to know knowledge about them, how to list on Fiverr, how to list your products, or you can manage your store that are creating on a Fiverr. So next I will discuss how Fiverr is work. What is Fiverr basically? So functionally, I am going to discuss Fiverr functionally. Listings on Fiverr are diverse and range from get a well designed business card to help with HTML. Basically, it is depending upon the scripting, the language of a computer, digitally a website, like hosting digitally your business. HTML, JavaScript, CSS, jQuery. The highest paying jobs on Fiverr include website design, social media manager, proofreading, and copyright, and resume writing. So a lot of works are doing on Fiverr. So you can choose your work according to your interest, according to your skills. So first you have to show your skills, or choose your inner skills of your work that you can easily done. So next I am going to discuss what is the cost of Fiverr that are paying you if you are working on Fiverr. So for this you have to open next website, that is www.fiverr.com is original website of Fiverr. So this is provide you basic knowledge, earning, how to create Fiverr account, and then how you can make money on Fiverr. So these are get up to 3.5 per dollar. So you can earn from low ranging $3.5 to $100, $2,000, or in a, if I discuss in a hundreds or thousands, you can working lot of money from Fiverr depending on your works. So this is a simple tutorial and comprehensive videos for your information about Fiverr. I hope so you enjoy this video a lot, and please share this video to your friends. I will meet you in the next video. Bye for now. Tata.